Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, British Pound Japanese Yen, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound Japanese Yen for 8 March 2021 Monday. So this analysis is for Monday only. I'll be coming again on Tuesday with the Tuesday's analysis. Okay. So let's jump to the chart. So we can see that the last traded price of British Pound Japanese Yen GBP JPY is 149.87, and just by looking at the chart we can easily see that the market isn't beautiful uptrend. Okay, market made a high of 150.45 and after that there was a good fall. Okay, big fat red candles, but market maintained the uptrend. Okay, it still continued, but market still managed to trade above the 50 moving average, and you can just look how beautifully 50 moving average is providing the required support. Okay, so in that case we can see that though after this fall there is not much volatility in the market, still market is beautifully going towards the upside. Okay, in that case you can have two strategies for Monday. The first strategy is, okay, let me take the pencil first. The first strategy can be, okay, just see the opening price. Okay, if you see that market, if the market opens near, okay, if market opens near the 50 moving average somewhere around this or this, okay, you can easily enter. Okay, you can easily enter because market is taking support at the 50 moving average, and this area is your, but this zone is your area of value. You can easily enter here keeping your stop loss here and just be on the trade as long as the market is trading above the 50 moving average. This can be your first trading strategy. Okay, the second trading strategy for the day can be just wait for the market to cross 150.73 level. Okay, because there, see, there is a resistance around this level. Okay, there is a good resistance at 150.7 level, 70 level. So there is a chance that after reaching the level, market may face some resistance and it may try to go down. Okay, in that case if you want a safe option, a safe trade, then you can wait for a couple of hours or one day. Just wait for the market to cross 150.73 level. Okay, if you see that market has crossed the 150.73 level, and just wait for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, just see how market is trading. Okay, whether the price is trading comfortably or not, whether market is comfortable or not, just try to understand the psychology of the market. Okay, if you see that, okay, after 1 hour it is trading comfortably, the resistance has become the support, then you can easily execute your buy order above this level, 150.736 or 150.7. Okay, or if you want a trade right away, okay, then what you can do, as mentioned earlier, you can enter somewhere around here. If you find it near the 50 moving average, you can enter. You just put your stop loss below the 50 moving average. That's it. Stay on the trade as long as the market is trading above the 50 moving average. This can be a simple strategy. Okay, so these two are the strategies for British Pound Japanese Yen for Monday. Okay, because this is a trending market, not much thing to do. Okay, we love trending markets. Okay, so this is a simple analysis and strategy for the British Pound Japanese Yen for Monday. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video, please do subscribe and give a thumbs up to my channel. And you can also check my Forex analysis playlist if you want to check the analysis of other currency pairs. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you on Tuesday again. Bye bye. Good luck.